simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the...
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Haley and today I'm super excited to show you how I style wide leg jeans being a short woman. Honestly, I am 4 feet 5 inches tall, but if someone asks me how tall I am, I like to say I'm 5 feet tall. So that's that, but trust me, you don't need to be tall to rock this trend. So let's dive right in. First thing first, picking the right pair of jeans is crucial. Look for a high-waisted style. They elongate your legs and create an illusion of height. Make sure they fit well around your waist and hips because this will accentuate your curves beautifully. The next trick to styling a wide leg jeans is to choose a right footwear. Heels are your best friend. Whether it's block heels, wedgies or stylish pumps, adding heels will make your legs look longer. If you're not a fan of heels, platforms and chunky sneakers work wonders too. Now let's talk about the top. Tucking in your top is a game changer. It defines your waist and balances out the volume of the wide leg jeans. You can go for a sleek fitted t-shirt, a classic button down or a chic blouse. So let me tuck in this top and show you how huge difference it makes. See the difference? Tucking in your top instantly gives more polished and put together look. And don't be afraid to add prints and colors because that will give you more personality to your outfit. Layering can add style and depth to your wide leg jeans outfit. A cropped jacket or a well-fitted blazer works perfectly. It ends right at your waist, maintaining that elongating effect. Don't forget accessories. A layered necklace, a statement belt or chunky earrings can elevate your outfit. And remember, confidence is the best accessory you can wear. There you have it ladies, a wide leg jeans effortlessly styled for us short women. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and feeling confident. So go ahead, try these tips and strut your stuff. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment below your favorite tip and please don't forget to subscribe for more fashion inspiration. Thanks for watching and until next time, stay fabulous.